What? Want to say hi to people? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mwah.
I'm sucking on you. These people are driving like they don't have no sense. I got you. Oh yeah, everybody's out here driving all crazy because it's Christmas Eve and they want to go scoop up the last presents at the mall. One in this game too. I go, and then you go, and spill the truth. Can you go, say lies, say forget
I am out here looking all ratchet, like I have no makeup on. I was like, it's 9:16, I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go get my husband's present. I don't know where the heck I'm getting that from. And it smells like dog out here. It smells really raw. I think it's because it's been raining.
Excuse me, Mommy?
Yes?
Daddy always wanted a warm up for you if your feet is cold. No, he means it warm up fast. Huh?
What? I didn't know they made those.
You said they do.
Guys, do they make socks where you press a button and they warm up the feet?
No.
I don't think so.
No one makes it.
My face is like so broad. I've done gained enough weight for me and everybody else. I gotta go, people.
So, people, we're at the in-laws for December 24th. We are at the in-laws. Let me show y'all something.
Let me show y'all something. That's the grill. There's a light right there. And a grill. My husband is getting ready. My husband is getting ready to grill. Who grills on Christmas Eves? Huh? Who does it?
Mommy did my hair.
He does.
Mommy did my hair at Mrs. Lily's house. Jason was super mean.
Yeah, Jason is in timeout. Watch out, guys. Daddy is setting up for barbecuing at 8 o'clock at night because midnight is when they celebrate Christmas. So does everyone else, but no one else is up at 12 o'clock opening presents and oh yeah, all the Spanish people are up at 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. and then they're outside barbecuing. Oh, there goes the light. My husband unplugged out the light. See, we're in the dark barbecuing. Yep, there we go. So we're gonna be here for presents, and then it does. I had a rough start to my day. Well, no, it was like a rough ending to my day. No, I had a rough start, an okay middle. I tried so hard to get in the Christmas spirit, and then I had a really rough ending, and now my husband is getting ready to fire up the grill and get us some food, and then the kids are gonna open their gifts. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go home, and I have to wrap my gifts. I have not wrapped any gifts for the children. It's just been a rough week, and I'm even amazed. You all that rude enough? I'm even amazed that I'm pulling off Christmas. I am amazed that I'm pulling off Christmas. Or am I able to pull off Christmas because we've had a long week. We've had a long week. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys later.
Look at that fire. Look at that child, it's burning. It's burning. No, the piece of burning is burning.
I don't know people. I don't know.
Of the paper. Yeah.
What? Want to say hi to people? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mwah.
People, it's nighttime out here.
10 o'clock, something like that.
It's 10 o'clock and this man is out here grilling.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings?
We got stuffed chicken too.
Stuffed chicken.
That's how we doing our Christmas this year.
Wait, is the lemon in your face? Is the lemon in your face?
Something in my face.
Oh, there's nothing in your face.
Something in my face.
Can I get it off?
Maybe. Can you get it on?
I got it off. Did she say? What did Destiny just say?
Go away, people.
You go away. Leave my sunshines alone. These are my sunshines.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hola. Hi, that means hi.
Really?
Not really. Why is it really?
I'll be back later, people.
My plate. I don't have. That's my plate. I don't know. That's my plate. Didn't.
After how many hours the food is done?
Grandma, that's my plate.
Chicken. Lots of chicken.
That's my plate.
Chicken.
Ow.
You put no say chicken?
Give me one.
Sure.
Ow.
One chicken.
Ow. Ow.
It's chicken.
Chicken chip potato.
Yeah. You can give him a small so he can
I want some more chicken.
small chicken.
Yeah.
No, it's late now.
So
You
I'm gonna cook
potatoes or
sweet potatoes? All the food.
No.
And my husband was supposed to barbecue.
But she's starting to this side.
I did it.
All those are messy.
I cooked it all. I cooked it all. But I burned the chicken. I think I burned the chicken.
Broccoli?
I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it, honey. I burned the chicken. Well,
Janice, you can put that for
sure, Mabel. Okay, sure, Mabel. Thank you.
Rice? Destiny? Rice? No. Broccoli?
Broccoli.
I want broccoli.
I'm going to
All right, honey. You're worried about it, aren't you?
Okay, baby. I just hope that I'm not.
Mabel, don't be telling me what to do.
What's this? Okay.
She's over here brushing me.
I put it.
Wait.
You get.
Mabel, it's not my fault. You're all late. She wanna rush me because she's late.
Potatoes? Ay, mío. Sí,
Look how short she
Yo no
is.
quiero salir ahí. Just like you go. Mamá, mira, mamá. I know, right? Grandma. 411.
No,
Excuse
gosh.
me? Grandma.
411.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you're short.
I know that.
Deal with it.
Grandma.
Why
If you can wait, please.
Why are you yelling?
Yeah, don't yell at the lady. She might have a heart attack or something. Take the food. Come on, man. Jason, why are you eating? We didn't even say grace yet.
Jason, stop eating.
Chickens?
You need to wait for everyone else.
Put your fork down.
I know his face over there like,
You're greedy.
I know. It's not our fault they're
If
hungry.
they're hungry, they need to wait.
They had pizza earlier.
Yeah.
They had pizza. They had all kind of stuff.
Oh. Yeah.
I made sure that they went to the play date upstairs that my husband was all mad about.
No, un poquito de...
Broccoli?
Sí, un poquito de arroz y un poquito no.
Mabel, you're feeding the grown man broccoli?
De brócoli.
Broccoli. What did we done came to now? We're eating broccoli.
Why do I have to get to the plate? Jordan scratched
Are you gonna say something or you just go?
To me? I ain't gonna say anything.
Papa, coñatos.
I'm staying away from my food.
Where Jackson's dirt?
Está caliente acá.
Where's Jackson's dirt?
Chicken o
Ya, ya.
No, Mabel, we want beef. Mabel stopped serving beef 2 years ago.
Marcelo,
Sí.
¿qué te pongo? ¿Brócoli? ¿Arroz?
No, arroz, nomás no broccoli.
Why, you don't like broccoli?
Yo
Ah,
tengo.
broccoli.
Yo tengo.
You said you don't like broccoli.
Single.
Ay,
I'm
I'm single and I'm a ver, te faltó. ¿No ocupa qué hace? Ah.
Hey, Jordan.
Smile, Jordan.
Smile, Jordan.
It's Christmas. Jordan.
Anyway, people,
Smile for me.
this is it for the. You can.
Baby. Ay, you wanna sleep, baby? Yes?
I'm gone, people. That's
You
it.
wanna sleep?
Goodbye, my sunshines.
Hi, sunshine. Don't forget that. Hey, get off of that.
Kisses.
Get off of it. Don't do that. You're gonna break it. Shine bright like a diamond. Bye, people. Oh, I thought she said she needed a permit to be on my video. See? I don't need a permit. I don't need a permit. I put anybody.
You need my permit.
No, I don't.
Yes.
Because guess what? You're going to be on YouTube tomorrow.
You know what, Janice? I have it 6. I hate you. 6. I'm saying 6.
Do this to me.
6 foot.
You have 6 foot?
Yes,
She has 6 foot.
Janice, you better delete that shit.
She has 6 foot.
Janice, you better delete that shit. I better not be on YouTube.
No, there goes fire crotch.
I'm getting
Alright, so this is fire crotch, lightning crotch, and thunderbolt.
No pongas eso, Janice.
Fire crotch.
Janice.
Say hi, Mabel.
Oh God, that's so horrible. Janice, you better